welcome back to Just Wing It, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back, boys and girls. Welcome back to RC Wildlife Visitors all across the globe. You're at the United States Scale Masters National Championship. We're with Master Modeler Brent Hecht, and we're with his giant scale Norwegian model products, F8F Bearcat. This is his first judged flight. Model's extremely rare. Brent has just finished a complete rework of the original model, which is very old. Had to go through, strengthen a lot of components. Has a new motor, a repaint overall, new markings. Effectively, it's a new airplane. It's a completely rebuilt airplane, reworked airplane. Norwegian model products, very rare. F8F Bearcat. It's going into a figure eight. The thing about the figure eight is you need to maintain the constant altitude throughout the execution of the maneuver. And when you tie the bow in the center, you need to be at roughly the same place. Gotta be nice. Looks like he's nailing this one. You pick a distant horizon point, really, for your turnaround point. That's the best way to do it. And he's going to finish going straight down the runway, constant altitude. Maneuver complete. Now he sets up for the next. There are 3 mandatory maneuvers. Obviously, the landing or takeoff and landing are the 2 of them. Most pilots generally settle between 5 and 9, depending. They get scored. There are 6 flight rounds. Those flight rounds are averaged, and then that total, in addition to your static. Beautiful, beautiful aileron roll, scale fighter roll. Your static score and your flight scores are added, and that's your score. Brent's probably about halfway through his repertoire. I think he's got 7 maneuvers. He might have 9. This will be a 4-point. It's also called a 4-point hesitation because you stop momentarily in each position or hesitate as you execute the maneuver. You hesitate in each position. 4-point hesitation roll. Pulling into a nice big loop. Jeez. Maneuver complete. All right. Don't know if he's doing a touch and go with this one. He did with his T-38. But we'll see. We'll see. Even the gear pass could be considered a maneuver as long as you call it out. We'll see. She's running good. She's sounding good. It's on a scale 4-blade prop. He did not change out the prop to a 2-blade. He's flying it on his scale 4-blade, although the plane does not appear to be suffering at all any performance. There's a half Cuban 8. Actually, he's doing a Cuban 8 right now. So this is a Cuban 8. Beautiful. Oh, the little hesitation, I like it. Cuban 8 with the hesitation. Maneuver complete. Beautiful. Sorry for the jerkiness. Called Duxford Pass. Show me your nice side. As a judged maneuver, a scored maneuver. So we should be coming up on the end of his repertoire routine. He'll probably do a gear pass. I also suspect he'll do a gear pass the next one, then bring her setter up for landing. Not sure if he's doing a touch and go, but we'll see. Yeah. Slowing down, getting the aircraft into landing config. There goes the gear. Look like it, maybe not. I don't see the gear. Alright. Fooled me, tricked me out. Gear hung up. That's not good. That's not good. Let's see what happens here, ladies and gentlemen. I thought I saw the inner wheel doors come down, but no gear. I was hoping I didn't see that, but apparently that's what I saw. So he's trying to rock the airplane using the elevator, trying to get the gear down. Propeller alone is several $100, so well, let's see. Jeez, it's quite the quandary. Quite the quandary. Get the gear down.
Save your prop, maybe dead stick.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, ladies and gentlemen. Not gonna like this, but here we go. Man, oh man, oh man. Alright, well, that's it for this aircraft for this weekend. I'm sorry you had to see that, ladies and gentlemen. But that's it. That's it. F8F Bearcat. Gear didn't come down, so much more to come from Just Wing It. Much more to come from Hemet from the National Championship here at U.S. Scale Masters. Sorry y'all had to see that, but did a good job otherwise. So could have been a total write-off. Now she just has to be repaired. Thanks for watching, everybody. Much more to come from Just Wing It, the National Championships, U.S. Scale Masters.
He came by here, he had his wings up, and then he was over there.